If you ever shared a OneDrive file or folder and now want to stop other people from accessing it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to stop OneDrive sharing files and folders in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you sent the wrong link, no longer want a document public, or just want to clean up old shared access and keep your files more secure. If this helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser and sign in with the Microsoft account that owns the file or folder. Once you're in your OneDrive account, look for the file or folder that you previously shared. You can use the search bar if you have a lot of files, or browse through your recent files and folders until you find the one you want to update. When you locate the item, right-click it to open the menu. If you're on a mobile device or using a trackpad, you may need to tap the three dots or the More Options button instead. From the menu, click Manage Access. This is the section where OneDrive shows you exactly who can access the file and what kind of sharing links have been created. Inside Manage Access, you'll usually see two main areas. One area shows people who have direct access, and the other shows shared links. If you want to stop a specific person from viewing the file, find their name and remove access if that option appears. If you want to stop a link from working, look for the Shared Link section and click the trash icon or remove icon next to that link. Once you click the remove or trash icon, OneDrive may ask you to confirm the action. Go ahead and to confirm it. After that, the sharing link or person access will be removed and they will no longer be able to open the file or folder using that permission. If you shared a folder, keep in mind that removing access from the folder stops people from accessing that folder through that link. If they had access to individual files separately, you may need to review those too. It's always a good idea to double check the sharing settings for any related files if you want to fully stop access. After you've removed the link or person, take a moment to verify that the file is no longer shared the way it was before. This gives you peace of mind that your OneDrive content is private again. If you ever need to share it later, you can always create a new link with the exact permissions you want. So that's how to stop OneDrive sharing files and folders quickly and safely. It only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this video was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who uses OneDrive and wants better control over their files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.